Hello students, hope all of you are fine. So students, we have already completed the first chapter of your half yearly syllabus. Now I am going to start the second chapter of your half yearly syllabus. This is the chapter 4, role of the state government. Students, you know what is state government. State government is the government which is ruling over the particular or individual state. Suppose our West Bengal is a state and now the TMC party is in power of West Bengal. That means the TMC is the governmental body of our state. So, what are the works of that state government? It is totally clearly mentioned in our constitution. According to the constitution, each and every state government rule over their region. Otherwise, they may be autocratic or they may be violate the fundamental rights of the citizens. That is why the constitution taken all those measures. So, the state government is the ruling body of the state. That means they will take care the interests of the common people of that particular state. First important work or area or the function of the state government is the welfare of the publics, that means the health facilities. In our state or in every state, you can see there are two type of health sectors that I have explained in previous chapter, not that the first unit syllabus, that health system, the role of the government in health system. In that chapter you have already read that there are two types of health care system in a state, that is public sector or public health care, and another one is private health system or the private health care. That public health center is totally under control of the government, that means the government hospitals. People get free treatment over there and also the free medicines they also get from those hospitals. There are several facilities for the people, and the role of the state government is, I told that people get free treatment, that means whatever the expenses of those hospitals, it all bear by the state government. So, our health facilities is the one and major important concern of the state government. Another one is the transport system. Transport system is also divided into two parts, public transport and also the private transport. In bus also, few days ago there was a conflict between the bus owners, the public bus owners, the government bus owners or the private bus owners. So, here we can see in road also you can see some private buses going on, that Dokhin Bongo Poribahon Sangstha, all these types of things are written over there. So, all these are under the control of the state government. State government take care of the communication system. Why? For the welfare of the people of their individual state. So, students, today I have explained that two things, that is healthcare and another one is the transport system, and the rail also. The railway system, it is not under the control of the state government, it is totally under the control of the central government, though the government provide the facilities, transport facilities for the state also. Central government provided the facilities for the state also. So, the state government can only control the communication system or the transport system within the territory of that particular state, and the healthcare system also. They cannot control the healthcare system all over the India. The state government only responsible for the healthcare system of their own state only. Okay. So, next day I will explain the another role of the state government. Till then, bye bye.